Okay, so now we're going to talk about the empirical rule. So what the empirical rule says, we're going to get a lot more into this later when we get into normal distributions, but it says for a bell shape or normal distribution, if we go up and down one standard deviation, so if we look, we usually have the mean right here, and if we go up one, so x bar plus one standard deviation, and x bar minus one standard deviation, and we kind of take a look at this distribution, if we shade that in there, again, these should be vertical lines. I'm not doing a great job at that. What percent of the data lives within one standard deviation of the mean? So if we take the mean and we subtract 1s, and we take the mean and we add one standard deviation, there is 68% of the data within one standard deviation. So now the next question is, what happens if I go out 2? So you can see if we're going to have the mean here and I go up and down 2, we're going to have even more of the data, right? So this is a lot. So how much of the data is within 2 standard deviations of the mean? So within 2 standard deviations of the mean, we have 95%. Finally, let's say we go out 3 standard deviations, so we're all the way out here. Look at this. We have almost this entire graph, right? My pen doesn't even want to draw the line because it's so much. But all of this data, all this stuff, if we go up and down 3 standard deviations, so minus 3s and x bar plus 3s, we are going to have 99.7% of the data within 3 standard deviations of the mean.